Hello everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to sign up for Amazon Prime and start enjoying all the benefits like free shipping, streaming, and more. First, go to the Amazon website and make sure you're logged in to your Amazon account. If you don't have one yet, quickly create an account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, scroll to the top menu and look for the option that says Prime. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Amazon Prime page where you can see all the details of what's included with your membership. Next, select the Start Your Free Trial button if you're new, or choose the monthly or annual membership option if you want to subscribe right away. Amazon usually offers a 30-day free trial, so you can test out the service before being charged. You'll then be asked to confirm your payment method, such as a debit or credit card already saved in your account, or you can add a new one. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends unless you continue the subscription. After confirming your payment details, click Start Membership, and that's it. You are officially an Amazon Prime member. From now on, you can enjoy faster shipping, access to Prime Video, Prime Music, exclusive deals, and more. If you ever want to cancel, you can do so easily from your account settings. And that's how you sign up for Amazon Prime quickly and easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.